Welcome home to 71A Tate Street, West Leederville. We are incredibly fortunate to call this amazing suburb home. Some of the more defining benefits of the suburb are the community, walkability, safety, and family feel. West Leederville takes a village approach to suburban living. There is something incredibly special to be said about a suburb in any capital city worldwide, where you're just 8 minutes to some of the best beaches in the world and 6 minutes to the central business district. Located just moments from two of the best public schools in Western Australia, being West Leederville Primary and Bob Hawke College, this location redefines convenient living. The close proximity to freeways gives great convenience to families in the medical field, creating easy access to hospitals and medical centres both north and south. With all the creature comforts you and your family could wish for, West Leederville is your forever suburb. The current owners of 71 Tate have done an incredible job alongside Trendsetter Homes in creating a well thought out family home on this leafy green street. To find out more, please contact Craig Gasper on 0413 929 999.